Using professional demographic data can target the right people by job title, industry, seniority, and more. Retarget website visitors, reach contacts, and build account-based marketing campaigns with matched audiences, a set of custom targeting options. When members click on your ad, their profile data automatically populates a form they can submit with one click. They'll save time and effort. You'll get more accurate and complete information about your leads, in order to survive and grow. Your business needs customers. To get customers, you need to promote your business. In the good old days, this was a matter of deciding between a flyer, a brochure, a postcard, or an ad in the local newspaper. Promoting your business is a must if you want to stand apart from your competitors and out to your customers, so let's get started with the most popular channels. The key to using your business profile to promote your business is to verify ownership of your listing through yours. Once you have ownership, you can optimize your listing to show up higher in search results and for more relevant searches. A good business website not only serves as a promotional tool in and of itself, it tells the story of your business and what you offer, provides contact information, and reflects your brand's personality and distinguishing characteristics, but it is also essential for measuring and improving the success of your other promotional tactics. Although there are completely free solutions to get a website in place for your business, almost inevitably you will need to move to some form of a paid website if you are serious about promoting your business. Having your domain name, a professional look and feel, and the ability to scale and add features as needed are all essential for growth. This is where this product comes in. It has been out for over 4 years but has a huge impact over the last 2, so click the link in the description box to get yours.